ऐसा था कि एक जगह पे जाना था, लेकिन मैं भूल ही गई थी कि यहाँ पे जाना है और ये लेके आना है और वो सब और वो ज़रूरी था काम। और मैं घर पे आ गई और फिर मैंने घर पे बोला कि मेरे सास को कि नहीं ये तो मेरे से नहीं हुआ और अब पॉसिबल भी नहीं है, मेरे से टाइम नहीं है। तो ये कोई बात नहीं मैं दूसरे से करवा देती हूँ, तुम इतना टेंशन मत लो वरना ऐसा होता नहीं है।
हुँ।
मुझे वापिस से जाना हो रहा और वो मेरे घर से काफ़ी 20-25 मिनट्स दूर था। तो मुझे ऐसा था कि नहीं मुझे वापिस रात को भी जाना पड़ेगा। लेकिन उसोंने उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया और वो नहीं मैं करवा देती हूँ, तू टेंशन मत ले।
यस।
ताकि इतने ईज़िली आज तक हुआ नहीं था।
हाँ, जो पहली बार हुआ है। लवली।
या
यस।
थैंक यू।
So when we are working with the universe, तो यूनिवर्स भी हमको अपने साथ लेके चलता है. You know, we can now see that there is somebody who is there helping us when we are on the path of gratitude. Yes, no? Is everybody feeling that?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, agreed.
और सुबह तो अलार्म बजे उससे पहले ही उठ
उठ जाते हैं, राइट?
अभी लॉकडाउन में तो ऐसा हो गया था कि 7:30 से पहले वो कौन उठे ये।
Yeah.
वो डिफरेंस मेन आ गया है।
अ,
Yes.
मैं मेरी बात तो वंदना जी लॉकडाउन के ड्यूरिंग मैंने वो कहीं भी पढ़ा था कि वो 3:40 का टाइम ब्रह्म मुहूर्त बोलते हैं। तो क्यों नहीं पता नहीं तो पूरा लॉकडाउन में बोलती हूँ तो मैं 3:40 में वैसे ही मेरी आँख उठ जाती थी और मैं सुबह तक मेडिटेशन है क्योंकि पूरा दिन क्या करना था, फिर तो रेस्ट ही रेस्ट था। तो मॉर्निंग 5 साढ़े 5 बजे तक बालकनी में बैठ के मेडिटेशन और अपना जो स्पिरिचुअल है वो पढ़ती थी, सुनती थी। तो मेरा तो ऐसे ही गया था और इतनी मजा आई थी आ रही थी ना। सॉरी
Yes, yes.
हमारा हमारा गुजराती और हिंदी मिक्स हो रहा है।
Yeah, and actually इस लॉकडाउन ने हम सब ने कुछ ना कुछ सीखा है. इस लॉकडाउन ने हमारे लिए, you know, it's a blessing, it's a gift to us.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes, and Hina ji, would you like to share what you shared yesterday with me? Would you like to share with
हाँ
everybody?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ.
तो मेरे साथ मैजिक ये था कि मैं इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली मैंने कल इंग्लिश पढ़ा तो पहले 2-3 दिन से तो मैं अपने आप से बहाना बता रही थी कि नहीं मुझे बीच में बार-बार उठना पड़ता है, वो है, ऐसे करके मन को ही मैं वो कर रही थी। फिर मैं कब बोला नहीं 1 घंटे की बात है, मैं कर लूँगी और मुझे प्रोनाउंसिएशन मेरे इतने अच्छे निकले वो मैं फ़ील कर रही थी। तो मैंने आपको पर्सन में पूछा क्या ये वो परफेक्ट था? तो मेरे लिए तो ये मैजिक था कि इतने सबके सामने मैंने इंग्लिश में ये रीड किया। क्योंकि मेरी स्टडी हमारी मदर टंग गुजराती मीडियम में हुई थी। तो मैंने आपको बोला भी था कि ये आप हिंदी में लेंगे। फिर दूसरे दिन से मुझे नम्रता ने बताया कि काकी नहीं आप इंग्लिश में ही सुनो। तो फिर अब मैं मुझे सब कुछ समझ रहा है तो मेरे लिए तो ये लर्निंग प्रोसेस इंग्लिश की भी हो गई है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Yeah, that's so amazing ना. जो हम अपने आप को बोलते हैं वो अपने आप होने लग जाता है. जैसा हम सोचते हैं, जैसा हम बोलते हैं. And if there is a strong determination, अगर एक strong will power हो तो we can do anything. Yes, anybody else has any sharings? I am receiving a lot of personal messages and phones. If you can share with everybody, it will really be of help to everyone. Yes, anybody else wants to share? So we are going to, before we start today's session, So all those who came late, happy morning everyone, and
Happy morning.
welcome to today's session, day 12, a magical people who made difference in our lives. Day 12 of our magic book journey. So yes, who all are ready to experience this?
Yes.
Yes, let's be excited. Yes.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Yes. So who is nominating to read today? Please unmute yourselves, take your name before we begin. You know, I'm waiting for that day when 3-4 people will nominate. मेरे को पढ़ना है, मेरे को पढ़ना है, मेरे को पढ़ना है, like that. Be like kids, na?
Yeah.
So किसे पढ़ना है आज? Who is nominating?
May I? Namrata.
Yes, Namrata ji.
Day 12. Magical people who made a difference. At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each one of us has cause to think with a deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us.
Albert Schweitzer.
Albert Schweitzer, 1875 to 1965. Nobel Peace Prize winning medical missionary and philosopher.
यस सो कई बार क्या होता है ना, हमारी खुद की रोशनी चली जाती है, मतलब कि हमारी खुद की जो वी ऑल हैव अ लाइट विद इन अस, राइट, एंड दैट फीलिंग, दैट गाइडेंस जो है, हम जो खुद को गाइड करते रहते हैं, मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं, वह चली जाती है और किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति की चिंगारी से दोबारा हमारी लाइफ में रोशनी आ जाती है. हमें से किन किन लोगों ने ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया है? जस्ट लुक इन योर ओन लाइफ दैट व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग लो, when you are at the bottom of a circle. Okay, so just remind me in the end of this, at the end of this chapter, what is bottom of the circle? We'll talk about it. So when we are at the bottom of a circle, we are feeling stuck somewhere at any point of time in our life. Somebody walks in our life to guide us. And today, when we think of those people who walked in our life, we think that it is because of those people that I have got this moment, because of that person that I could sail through. So you will, as we go through the chapter, just search for 3 people in your lives who have made a difference. आपको याद आएगा अपने आप, and maybe now just by reading these lines you've remembered, yeah, because I was at my rock bottom and there was a phase in my life, there was a point in my life where I could see nothing around me, and somebody, कोई फरिश्ता आया मेरी लाइफ में. That could be anybody. So we'll read who all can, you can think of. Yes, please continue.
Every one of us has received help, support, and guidance from other people at particular times in our life when we needed it most. Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through their encouragement, guidance, or just being there at the right time. And then life goes on, and we tend to change our life. Forget those times when one person touched us or changed our life. Sometimes you don't even realize the impact of person had until well into the future. When you look back on your life and realize that a particular person was pivotal in magical changing the direction of your life for the better.
Yes. So हम सब ने ऐसा महसूस किया. We all have received help. Could be your could be anybody, could be one of your family member, could be your teacher, could be your coach, could be your uncle, could be your aunt, could be your grandparents. कोई भी, शायद कोई भी ऐसा, that person came in our life, and that person helped us when we needed it the most. And उनके जो कुछ शब्द थे, उनकी जो समझाने का तरीका था, उनका जो encouragement था, उनका जो guidance था, it came at the right time, and then life started moving. Sometimes you don't even realize the impact a person had until well into the future, when you look back on your life and realize that a particular person was pivotal in magically changing the direction of your life for the better. So, agar right now when we are sitting and since we are reading this, and since we are, we've started looking back into our lives, shayad aisa, somebody must have, हमें याद आ रहा है कि हाँ ऐसा हुआ था, because of that person I could actually move forward in my life. तो हमने उनको थैंक यू जरूर बोला था, पर अब हम कैसे थैंक यू बोलेंगे, कुछ अलग वे से बोलेंगे. We will be grateful to them, feel it in our heart and say, yeah, we'll read ahead how to do it. Yes, please continue.
The person may have been a teacher or coach, an uncle, aunt, sibling, grandparent, or any family member. They may have been a doctor, nurse, or best friend. They may have been the person who introduced you to your current partner or to a particular interest that became one of the greatest passions. Maybe they were someone you didn't even know and they appeared in your life very briefly, performing a random act of kindness that touched you to the core. My grandmother gave me my love for books, cooking, and countryside by sharing her love of those things with me. All of them affected and changed the course of my life.
Cooking became a passion of mine.
Cooking became a passion of mine for over 20 years. My love of books eventually led to me becoming a writer, and my love of the countryside has influenced where I have lived throughout my life. My grandmother also disciplined me with a still hand to say thank you. At the time, I thought she was just teaching me to be polite. It was only later in my life I realized that teaching me to say the magic words was the greatest gift my grandmother ever gave me. She is not alive anymore, but I continue to be grateful to her for the huge influence she had on the course of my life. Thank you.
Yes. So
Grandma.
Rhonda Bryan is thinking, she is talking about her grandmom, how she influenced her life. So there was so much of discipline. She was taught to be this discipline was there in her life, where she had to say thank you. She taught her to say thank you. And at that time, I thought that she was, the Rhonda Byrne thought that it was just teaching her, she was just teaching her how to be polite. As kids, we are just taught, na, agar ye kuch kisi ne kuch diya hai, to say thank you. Even we teach to our grandkids, or our kids, we have always told that. Even in school, we are taught that just say thank you. So we think that it's just a way of being polite, but now we know, na, saying thank you, what is the meaning of the actual meaning of the word thank you. When we are saying, we are actually being grateful. We are feeling what the other person has done for us, and we are being grateful, and then we are saying thank you. It's not just a word, there's so much of meaning in that word. So later on in my life, I realized that teaching me to say the magic words, these are like the magic words, was the greatest gift my grandmother ever gave me. She's not alive anymore. So हम भी अपनी लाइफ में जब हम देखेंगे ना, उन 3 लोगों को, जो ये बुक आगे चलते चलते बोलेगी कि हमको 3 लोगों को चूज करना है, कुछ ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, बट 3 लोग. So it's not necessary that they are living with you, they are alive. You know, they, even though if they are not with you, their memories are there with you, and they always will be there. So you can do for them also. Yes, please continue.
Today, today you are going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life. Find a quiet place along sometime during the daytime, sit down and think of three.
Extraordinary people. Think of three extraordinary people who have made a difference in your life. Once you have your three people, work with one person at a time and talk out aloud to each person as though they were present. Yes, Namrata ji, are you there? आपने म्यूट कर दिया है नम्रता जी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue reading.
Yeah.
As though they were present, telling him or her the reasons why you're grateful to them. Yes, and continue. क्या हो गया नम्रता जी?
मैं कहाँ पे थी वो मेरा
हाँ, just start from here and how they affected the course of your life.
wait.
So I will continue, you just follow me. Make sure you do this magical practice with three people in one
session. Yes, ma'am. Because it will take your feelings of gratitude to a far deeper level. If you split up the magical practice throughout the day, you will not feel the same depth of gratitude, not receive the magical results. Here's an example of what you might say.
Yes, 1 minute. So one very important thing is that ये जो magical practice आज हम करेंगे, this magical practice we'll be doing with three extraordinary people who made a difference in your life. Okay, and you will find it will be a concentrated practice. आप अपने आप के लिए, अपने लिए 1 घंटे का या 45 minutes का, just keep a time for yourself when you are free. And it's not that any time आप रात को सोने के पहले करेंगे. My invitation to all of you is that if you can do as early as possible, maybe after the session, immediately after the session, don't think कि मैं एक जन का करूंगा फिर दूसरे का बाद में कर लूंगा. Not like this. It's a concentrated practice and you do for all the three people at one time, whenever you're sitting. So yeah, so you can find a time for yourself, but my request to all of you is just immediately after the session, if you do, it will be you'll have a different experience, because the moment we start our daily rituals, the moment we start our daily work and get into the routine, then things are different. Yeah, please continue.
Sarah, I want to thank you for the time that...
You can't see?
No.
I don't know why this has come. What happened? It's not going only. Yeah, I'll read these 3 lines. Sarah,
Yes.
I want to, it's gone. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to thank you for the time that you encouraged me to follow my heart. I was lost and confused that day, and your words
Touched me
and lifted me out of the
despair.
Out of despair. Because of what you said, I found the courage to follow my dream, and I moved to France to work as an apprentice chief. I am living my dream.
I moved to France to work as an apprentice chef.
I am living my dream and I couldn't be happier. All because of what you said to me that day. Thank you, Sarah. It's very important that you say the reasons why you are grateful, and you can't say too much. Instead, the more you say and the more you feel, the more amazing the results. You will see the magic explode into your life from doing the practice. It numbers among the most powerful acts of gratitude as you can ever perform.
Yes, so it is very important to say the reasons. Jitna aap reason bolenge, utna that thing will become real to you, because you know our mind understands it. The more we can visualize, the more we can feel. Jitna hum reasons bolenge, utna we will be feeling. You know, utna we'll feel in our heart, and the more and more we feel, the more and more real it becomes to us. So it says that the magic will explode in your life. एक अलग एक अलग ही विस्फोट होगा आपकी लाइफ में. It will explode, and it numbers among the most powerful acts of gratitude you can ever perform. So every chapter is taking us at one step ahead. जैसे एक सीढ़ी है और हम चढ़ रहे हैं उस सीढ़ी पे, एक स्टेप दूसरा स्टेप हमें ऊपर जाना है, तो हम धीरे धीरे एक एक पांव रख के और एक एक लैडर के एक एक रंग पे पांव रख के, एंड वी आर क्लाइंबिंग अप. So like that, every chapter is teaching us and making us climb up. पूरा ऊपर ही ऊपर हम जाते जा रहे हैं. And it is the most powerful acts of gratitude जो आज हम करेंगे. Whatever we are going to do today, after the session, whatever this book is telling us to do, to choose 3 extraordinary people. And you know how example भी दिया है ना कि सारा, how you touched me. जैसे आपकी लाइफ में जो भी है, आप उनके नाम को लेके you just write their name and say that आपको क्या चेंज आया था आपकी लाइफ में. Write all the reasons, be as descriptive as you can. And that's why it says that take out concentrated time for yourself. आप अपने लिए कुछ टाइम अलग से सेट करेंगे, so that very peacefully you can write, you can remember. Not that tell everybody that I don't want to be disturbed for some time. Tell your kids, tell people around you, just align everything and just tell them, request them. And if there is a willingness na, apne aap wo hoga. You will be able to set time for yourself and start doing. Yes, please continue.
If you are not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down your words to each person and address. Again, ma'am, can't see.
Yeah, I know what is happening. I don't know. 1 minute. Yeah. Yes.
If you are not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down your words to each person and address them as though you are writing a letter. When you have completed this practice, you will feel a huge difference in the way that we feel. The evidence of gratitude's power working is always that first and foremost, it makes you happy. The secondary evidence of gratitude's power is that you attract wonderful things, and as if all of that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things, which will make you even happier. That's the magic of life, and that's the magical power of gratitude.
Yes, lovely. So it says that if you are not in a position to talk out loud, शायद आपके आसपास कुछ लोग हैं, या you can choose a place where कोई नहीं हो, वो भी नहीं हो पाया, तो you can write down your words to each person. आप लिख सकते हैं. And my suggestion to all of you is that it's better if you write down and then read aloud, or you see whatever is comfortable for you, as if you're writing a letter. आपने एक लेटर लिखा है और फिर उस लेटर को आप खुद ही पढ़ रहे हो जोर से. And what is the evidence that gratitude's power is working is the first and foremost thing is that it will make you happy. आपने से बहुत लोगों ने मॉर्निंग में भी शेयर किया कि कुछ एक अलग हैप्पीनेस है, कुछ एक अलग जॉय है, and people have been sharing since so many days. So this is the first sign, first evidence that gratitude's power is working. And the second evidence is that you will attract wonderful things in your life. हम में से सब लोगों की लाइफ में मैजिक्स होने लगे हैं. We are attracting things, wonderful things, amazing things, in our life which we never thought we would be able to. And as if all that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things which will make you even more happier. So this cycle doesn't end. You know, once it started, now more and more wonderful things, more and more magic is going, is happening. It's not going, but it's coming in our life. We are experiencing it, and then we become more and more happier. We all like experiencing magic, na? हम सबको अच्छा लगता है, right? We all like कि कुछ ना कुछ हो, and we all are waiting कि क्या होगा आज, you know, what will happen today, what magic is going to come today. That's the magic of life, and that's the magical power of gratitude. This life is actually magical. ये जो जिंदगी हमें मिली है, ये actually magic है. And we all have learned to how to step into the world of magic. जो हमारे जो दिन भर जो we all used to live in that doubtful state. कुछ अपने आप में डाउट होता था, कुछ आसपास के लोगों में डाउट होता था. So all that, now we know how to stop that, because we know the tool. अभी हमें पता चल गया है, उस रास्ते पे हम चलना शुरू कर दिए हैं, and we know how to make that magic happen in our life. The magical power, which is the power of gratitude. Kritagyata, Shukrana. Yes, magic practice.
Magic practice number 12. Magical people who made a difference. Count your blessings. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2.
Yes, continue.
Find a quiet place alone sometimes during day, and make a list of 3 people who made a difference in your life. Number 3, walk through the list one person at a time, and while talking out loud, tell each person the reason why you are grateful for them and exactly how they affected the course of your life.
Yes.
Number 4, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes, so today's practice is very, very easy. It's a beautiful assignment to us, to thank those people जिनको हम thank नहीं कर पाए थे, या हमने ऐसे ही thank you बोल दिया था. अब हमें with the practice of gratitude, we have to, we choose 3 people who made a difference in our life. So आप में से किन किन लोगों को पढ़ते पढ़ते ही उन 3 लोगों के नाम सामने आ गए? Yes, no, please write
Yes.
it or
Yes,
say.
yes.
Okay. I don't know what have I done. 1 minute, huh? Yeah, so yeah, just so anybody has any sharings, any doubts before we go into, explanation of the bottom of the circle? People who joined in late, do you have any sharings? Today's chapter is not much to explain, but I would request anybody who hasn't shared as yet, please share with the group. Yes. Thank you, Namrata ji, for reading for all of us. It was lovely that you read, and your reading was really, really good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Resume share. Whiteboard. What have I done? So now, can everybody see this whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes. So yeah. So just we'll do something. So we spoke in the beginning now that when you're feeling low, when you are feeling low and you've hit your rock bottom, and we don't know what we have just come. We have come at the bottom of the circle. So what is that bottom of the circle? We are just going to experience that. Yeah. One sec. Sorry, I am just trying to make a circle.
सर्कल बीच में बन चुका था.
हाँ, वो ओवल हो गया था ना, so yeah.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, so this is a circle. We are seeing a circle on this whiteboard, and this circle is the circle of life. So we can just, we can call this as the circle of life. So we have enough time, and I wanted to share this with you, which is not in this book, but when we understand this, things will be more and more clearer in our life. You know that why anybody hits rock bottom. We all have experienced this in our life, even during the lockdown. Many of us actually were at a space where we didn't know what to do. Yes, so this is the circle of life. And so humne, when we were in school, we all read and understood, and we were taught that everything in the universe is cyclical. Is universe mein is even in when we see nature around us, sab cheez गोल घूमता है. It starts at one point and it comes at the same point. It's cyclical. एक circular motion where everything moves. Yes, no, everybody. We have learned this, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So this week, this applies. अगर हमने ये समझ लिया, जैसे कि in human life we see that a child is born, then adolescence, then teenager, then adult, then old age, and then death, then again a child is born. Yeah, even हम पानी को जब देखते हैं, when we see water in the ocean, it turns into vapor, it goes up, it goes to the clouds, it comes down as rain, and again it falls into the ocean. So everything starts and it begins and ends at the same point. Yeah, so even for animals we see that एक animal दूसरे plant को खाता है, उस plant को कोई और खाता है, उस animal को कोई और खाता है, and then it goes back into the plant. So it's a circle. Everything is cyclical. Everything is cyclical. We after a day there is night, after night there is day. So everything goes in circle. Everything moves in circle. हमने सब और भी हमारे मन में कुछ एग्जांपल्स आ सकते हैं, but we see that everything is circular in motion. So if we've understood this, then if we take any area in our life, like health, money, relationship, kuch bhi, jo bhi area of our life, if we pick up, we'll see that everything in that area also moves in a circular way. So, for example, if we take the area of relationship, so taking an example of someone in my life, so when if I talk of my spouse, or if I talk of my mother, if I talk of my mom, there were moments in our life when things were very beautiful. There were no arguments, there were no complaints. Whatever she used to say, I used to listen. But then after, I was at the top. We were at our relationship was at the top. But after some time, as I grew, there were questions in my mind, and I wanted answers to those questions. So there was some kind of conflict that started happening, and it started flowing down, and then it started moving down the circle, and then it came to a point where this was the point. So it hit the rock bottom. Then there were lot of arguments, and uh, there were days when I used to not listen to her. So it happens in all our lives. Na? Any relationship you pick up, and this happens. So we all can look into our life. हम सब अपनी life में देख सकते हैं ऐसा, right? So and for example, another area in our life is money. So we all, when we have enough money, there is no complaints. We are at this point. We are at this point. And when slowly, when we take things for granted, and slowly we start going down, 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 and we hit the rock bottom. We are here, this rock bottom, and we feel that there are so many dues to be paid. Like there many of us had experienced during the lockdown that businesses had stopped. There was no inflow of money, and the expense part was going on. So we actually hit the rock bottom. Yes, no? Has everybody experienced some part of their life? Some part of your life you have hit this point. Yeah. So let's have an interactive session. Any one of you, have you, आपने कभी कोई, many of you must have you sat in a giant wheel, Ferris wheel, जो हम मेला में जाते हैं, या we go in a fair, and that giant wheel na, which goes up and then goes down, it moves round and round. Who all have sat in the giant wheel? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
and who all really enjoyed in the giant wheel? So, any
Yes,
one of
enjoy.
you, sorry?
Enjoy a lot.
Yeah,
Like
so,
lot.
yeah, so just unmute yourself and let's have an interactive session. One of you who said I enjoyed a lot, Namrata ji.
Rushita.
Ji, okay. So please unmute yourself, and the rest of us can mute ourselves. So yeah, so when you were, so this is the giant wheel. Just imagine that this circle is a giant wheel, and supposing you are at the top. When you are at the top of the giant wheel, you feel. So how do you feel when you are at the top of the giant wheel? Yes, Sushita ji.
Great.
Yes, something else. Please explain more. Great.
Like fly in the air.
Yes. And you're feeling you're at the top of the world. And
Yeah.
so you can see the people from the top. When you look down, you see people, small people, and ठंडी हवा चल रही है, and you feel so happy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
then what happens? Then what happens when you are at the top? उसके बाद क्या होता है? Where do you go?
वो धीरे धीरे नीचे आता है तो वो पसंद नहीं आता है कि क्यों यार वो वापिस से आ गए.
Yes, and you feel disappointed कि
हाँ
क्यों
यार
अरे अब हवा भी कम हो गई है, and you feel अरे it's going to end and I'm going down and down. Yes, no?
Yeah.
And then it goes down and down and down and down until you reach here at the rock bottom. Yes? Yeah?
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
you feel, then you don't know, जब एकदम नीचे पहुंच गए, then you feel that, I mean, you don't know what is happening and you feel disappointed and you feel, why did this end? I was feeling
Yeah.
so nice, so beautiful. I was flying in the air. So let's look into our lives. Now let's look into our lives that when we hit the rock bottom, what is the feeling? What is the feeling? And then, but very, very important that most of us forget is that when you hit the rock bottom, they feel, we feel that bas chula khatam ho gaya hai. Now we have to step out, we have to jump out. But what you don't know is that ये जो rock bottom है, इसके आगे भी कुछ है. There is something beyond this. There is a possibility कि you will start climbing and you will reach here. How many of us have ever thought of this? How many of us have ever thought कि after this also there is a possibility, हमारी लाइफ में बहुत possibilities होती है, हमें उन्हें explore करना होता है. So there is a very, very golden possibility that after this you can again start climbing up. Yes? No?
Yes. Yes.
Why
Yes.
do you
Yes,
think
ma'am.
that
Yes.
divorces happen? Because कोई एक ऐसा phase आ जाता है life में कि you are, and if you are at that point for a longer period of time, then you feel bas now I can't handle it and bas it's enough, that's the end, so and उस space में अगर और ज़्यादा दिन रह जाते, then you feel like just committing suicide or just coming out of that situation, and you start, and you want to start a new way of life, but how many of us remain happy in that state? So then we realize that we need to understand कि अगर हम ऊपर से नीचे आए हैं, ऊपर से टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड से नीचे आए हैं, तो नीचे से ऊपर जाने का भी रास्ता है. So what do people do here? So for some of us, कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जो they'll try to come out on their own in this situation. So you would watch a comedy show, or you will do yoga, or you'll do meditation, you will dance, you will go out for a nature walk, or anything to make you come out. Each one of us have our ways of making us come out of that situation. But if in that part of our life, if somebody comes in our life, we need support over here. हमको support चाहिए यहाँ पे. So if somebody comes in our life, some guidance, कुछ हमसे ऐसी बातें करते हैं जिससे हमें motivation मिलता है, we get motivated, and again we start climbing up. We start climbing up and we start enjoying, and again we start climbing more and more, and again we reach at the top of it. So this is what happens in our lives always. अगर हम इसको समझ गए ना, तो हम अपने लाइफ के हर एक मोड़ पे we can put ourselves and check कि अभी हम कहाँ पे है, where am I now and where I can go. So even if you hit the rock bottom कि बस अब इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है, please remember कि इसके आगे ही बहुत कुछ है. Is one more example, when we cycle ना, when we, all of you who have done cycling, जब हम downhill जाते हैं ना, तो बहुत easy होता है जाना, but when we go uphill, एक push चाहिए हमें, right? So एक कोई अगर जैसे push कर दे, तो we can, for those of you who have done cycling on a slope, you will understand that if we need a push, either that push we take ourselves, तो बहुत effort लगाना होता है, or somebody comes to our help. Yes, and then we can start climbing up. Yes.
Ma'am, can I ask question?
Yes, sure.
मैम
So just a minute.
Yeah.
Bharat ji, just let me complete, then we'll
Yeah.
take the question. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when we start, so when we get this push, when we get this motion to climb up, we actually again come here. Yeah. So now just we have to identify, so when we are here, actually a ray of hope aata hai. And that ray of hope makes us, it takes us upar, 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 and then we reach here. So ऐसा हमने सुना है ना कि it's very easy to reach at the point of success, but to maintain that point, to stay in that point of success is a very, very beautiful challenge for all of us. To maintain at that point, stay in that experience is a very, very amazing, we all can do that. We know we all can do that. But to just stay there is a very, very beautiful challenge. So what are we doing actually? So what I have seen a lot of ways. आप भी अपनी अपनी लाइफ में देख सकते हैं कि ऊपर कैसे उठा जाए. So आपकी लाइफ में अगर कुछ और है, then it's very good. Otherwise, what we are learning is the power of gratitude, which is taking us up, up, up. I'm not saying we are at the rock bottom. We were at the rock bottom, but हमारी लाइफ में कुछ न कुछ missing link tha. And now when we have started walking in this journey of gratitude, in this path of gratitude, in this magical world, we are actually going up, up, up. And believe me, when we reach the last day of our magical journey, we will be here on the top of the world. Yes. So, Abhi, today's chapter is day 12. Tomorrow's chapter is so beautiful that tomorrow's chapter is about our desires and dreams. What we studied, what we gathered on the first day, na, जो हमने first day में पढ़ा था. I mean day 0 में, when we spoke about our dreams, वही चीज हम कल वापस करेंगे, but in a concentrated way. So आप भी अपनी लाइफ में देखिए, आप भी किन लोगों के लिए एक रोशनी, जिनकी रोशनी कम हो गई है, आप एक चिंगारी बन सकते हो उनकी लाइफ में, by telling them, by guiding them to come to this session and experience the magic. So that's why I had written yesterday also in our group, in our Telegram group, कि आप जिन लोगों को आप देख रहे हैं कि उनकी लाइफ में मैजिक हो सके, उन्हें भी इस जादुई शक्ति का अनुभव हो सके, they also experience this. Please, my invitation to all of you is that please invite them and tell them to come. Yes, and yes, Bharatji, now you can ask your question.
Yeah, मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम बॉटम से जब हम टॉप पे जाते हैं,
हाँ जी,
तो दैट इज फाइन, वो हमारी जर्नी बहुत अच्छी रहती है. अगर किसी भी वजह से हम टॉप से हम बॉटम में आए,
हाँ जी,
तो दैट इज, वो भी एक्सेप्टेबल है कि कोई ना कोई वजह होगी कि जो हम बॉटम में आए हैं.
हाँ जी,
अगेन उसको हम ओवरकम करके टॉप पे चले गए,
हाँ जी,
उसके बाद में भी बॉटम में आना हुआ, तो
हाँ.
उसका सोर्स कैसे ढूंढ पाए?
तो आपने तो ढूंढ लिया ना, हमने तो ढूंढ लिया that source of gratitude.
दैट इज फाइन, वो अभी आज के दिन में पता चला, लेकिन मेरी लाइफ में ऐसे बहुत दफे हुआ है कि मैं बॉटम से मैं टॉप हुआ हूँ, टॉप से बॉटम हुआ हूँ, बॉटम से अगेन टॉप हुआ हूँ. तो
तो
देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ
पहले
टाइम.
जब ऐसा हुआ था, तो आपने did you express, आप शुक्राना किया था आपने?
नहीं किया था.
So now this is a new language we have learned. Now you have to do sit. अगर आप यहाँ भी हो तो भी शुक्राना करना है, अगर आप यहाँ भी हो तो भी शुक्राना करना है, अगर आप you're going down and down the Ferris wheel, तभी भी आपको शुक्राना करना है. Here also at the rock bottom also you will do the same.
Yes.
And that's what we are learning na, starting of the day and end of the day.
Yeah.
Yes, I hope I have answered your question.
हाँ, अभी पता चला कि मैं कंप्लेनिंग मोड में था उस टाइम।
Yes.
जब मैं
That's
डाउन होता था तो मैं कहीं ना कहीं कंप्लेन को या किसी को कर रहा था।
yes.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
Yes, thank you, Bharat ji, for asking this question. So, so it's not that, you know, if magics have started appearing in our lives and we just forget whatever is happening in our lives. You know, we just forget to express gratitude. अगर हम उसे जैसे ही हम इस मैजिक को छोड़ देंगे, then things will start becoming the same as they were. You know, it's a very slippery, जो एक क्लिफ होता है ना, जो स्लिपरी होता है, इट्स अ वेरी स्लिपरी क्लिफ. जैसे ही हम उसमें बैलेंस करना भूल जाएंगे, देन अगेन वी स्लिप डाउन. एंड वो कैसे स्लिप डाउन होगा, वी वोंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस एक्चुअली. So when I started reading this book first time, I think it was 11 to 12 years back, and I followed the practice, and we all are the lucky ones. We all are the lucky ones that we are getting this opportunity to discuss this together. हम अगर बुक खाली पढ़ते हैं तो उसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग अलग ही होता था. एंड एक्चुअली बिलीव मी, today when I you know, even today I must have, till today I must have read this book maybe about 10 times, 9 to 10 times, and every time I read this book there is a different experience, there is a different understanding. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो मैं पहली बार पढ़ रही हूँ. Believe me, I read this chapter yesterday, and today जब ये reading हुई तो मुझे लग रहा था कि मैंने, you know, this is something new which I am learning. This is something new which I am learning. और आप अपने लिए भी देख सकते हो. You just experience, not just because I am saying, you experience it for yourself. Every time you read the chapter, every time you do the same assignment, आपको एक अलग ही चीज महसूस होगी, because this is the world of feelings. आप अपने आप में देखिए ना, आपकी फीलिंग्स हर समय सेम होती है. Are your feelings same every moment? जब हमने स्टार्ट की थी आज का सेशन, जब हम आज सुबह उठे थे और अभी, आर फीलिंग सेम? क्या हमारे फीलिंग सेम है?
No.
I could hear some yes. Did anybody say yes?
No, no.
Feelings are different, right?
Different, yes.
So it's like, you know, when we read Bhagavad Gita also, or any of our spiritual books, every time the state of mind is different. जो हमारी दिमाग की अवस्था होती है, चित्त की अवस्था होती है, that is always different. and उस state of mind में जब हम कुछ एब्जॉर्ब करना चाहते हैं, जब हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं, तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग अलग ही होती है. So my invitation to all of you is that please, please, please keep this practice of gratitude throughout your life. दिन के शुरुआत में you have to just take 10 minutes. Now we have got into the practice. 10 minutes, and then in the night before we go to sleep, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, just 15 minutes, and you have kick-started your day. You know, you've taken yourself to the top of the world already. आपने अपने आप को वो टॉप पे अपने आप ही ले गए हो आप. Yes, no, everybody agrees?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, agreed.
Yes.
Lovely. So then, if this is understood, if there is any sharings, any doubts, anything you want to ask about today's assignment, you can unmute yourself, take your name and ask. Yes, anybody? Nobody? No questions? No doubts? No sharings? Is Neetu ji on the call? Neetu ji, are you there? Neetu ji, are you there on the call? Yes, no? Okay.
वंदना जी,
हाँ जी.
अभी किसी को अपनी ये सेशन में इनवाइट करना हो
हाँ जी,
तो इट इज वर्केबल, उनके लिए वर्केबल हो पाएगा? क्योंकि आगे के सेशन तो जा चुके हैं।
in this session you asking?
नो नो
आई मीन टू से अभी नेक्स्ट सेशन के लिए
नहीं, नेक्स्ट
आपने जो
सेशन
बात
के लिए वेट नहीं. That's what I said ना, that tomorrow's session is the session about tomorrow's chapter is about dreams and desires. So हमने
Right.
जो first day जो किया था ना day 0 में,
जी
it's like that only. So then that person of course उनको secret movie देखनी होगी, उनको day 1 day 2 का भी पढ़ना होगा. They can hear the recording
ओके
and you can brief them out little bit कि क्या
Okay.
आपने day 0 में किया था, because I'm really sorry day 0 का recording नहीं हो पाया था. So we have the recordings in the group. So जितने लोगों को आप, और आपको क्या पता जब वो लोग स्टार्ट कर देंगे कल से जर्नी, एंड व्हेन दे कम टू द 12th चैप्टर जो आज हमने आज पढ़ा है, आप उनकी लाइफ में एक रोशनी बन के आए हो. You know,
बिल्कुल।
could be they'll remember you, they'll thank you for whatever you guided them to this.
ओके
Yes. So that is what I wanted to express, and that is what I wanted to share and tell all of you, that bring in more and more people, bring in more and more people before you hear that that person has, you know, is has hit his rock bottom or at his or her rock bottom. So you will bring some change, some shift in their life. You can be, and the universe is, you know, we all are the lucky ones that we, out of those 7.2 billion people in the entire world, we are the lucky ones that we are here in this moment of time, और हम बात कर पा रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. We are learning this, you know, we are walking in this world of magic, and every day is a new learning. So आप अपने near and dear ones को, अपने friends को, अपने relatives को, किसी को भी आप invite कर सकते हैं. My invitation to all of you, please invite as many people as you can.
ओके थैंक यू मैम।
Yes. So anything?
वंदना जी, मैं मेरी जो कुक है, हाँ, तो वो ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाएगी
हाँ
क्योंकि
जी.
हाँ, तो वो मैं जो हमारा लेक्चर होता है, सेशन होता है, तो वो आती है तब मैं उनसे ये सब बताती हूँ. कल मैंने उनके जो आप दूसरी जगह भी रसोई बनाती है तो वहां भी आप ऐसे मैजिकल डस्टर डालना वैसे, और वो समझ सकती है, इसलिए मैं उसके साथ एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. तो लाइक
Right.
हाँ, उनके फैमिली में भी ये हो सके.
Right.
वो ज्वाइन तो नहीं कर पाएगी, इसीलिए मैं उनके साथ ये शेयर करती रहती हूँ.
Very good, very good. So beautiful, Hina ji, जो आपने share किया है. And I was coming to that only, that it doesn't matter whether it's your cook who is cooking, whether it's your house help, whether it's the watchman in the building, whether it's the driver, you know, anybody, जिनको भी आपको लगे कि इनकी लाइफ में भी मैजिक आए जैसे आपकी लाइफ में आ रहे हैं. So it's very good. And if that person cannot come, अगर वो नहीं समझ सकते हैं, तो आप उनको लेके बैठ जाइए. You know, you also start your magic sessions. आप भी अपनी लाइफ में जो भी आप सीख रहे हैं एवरी डे इन आवर सेशंस, यू कैन जस्ट शेयर विद देम. आपने बहुत अच्छे से बताया हिना जी कि आपने उन्हें इतना समझा दिया कि आप जहां भी कुक करने जा रहे हो आप मैजिक डस्ट डाल दो, और वो समझ गए ना. So now, did you find any difference in the taste of the food when the magic dust was put on it?
वो मैं शेयर कर सकता हूँ।
हाँ जी.
नहीं सही में मतलब मुझे तो पता नहीं था कि हिना ने ऐसे हमारे आशा बहन को ऐसे उसको समझाया है। तो जो कल का खाना था वो रियली सुपर्ब था। वैसे भी सुपर्ब होता है, लेकिन अभी मुझे भी रियलाइज होता है कि इट्स गुड, वेरी गुड.
अमेजिंग.
या
तो आपने महसूस कर लिया ना, उन्होंने बोला और आपको पता भी नहीं था, और एक्चुअली आपको कल का खाना वाज समथिंग एल्स, राइट?
यस 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 यस.
लवली. थैंक यू हिना जी. और ऐसे ही आप और दूसरे लोगों को भी समझाते जाइए और अपने ये मैजिक को स्प्रेड करते जाइए.
Hina ji, thank you. I will also follow to you.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू हिना जी. Yes, anybody else has any sharings? So let me look. Neetu ji, you are not there. Okay. Yeah, she's not there today. Okay. Okay. There is one new participant. Beena ji, are you there for the first time?
उनका वो ऑडियो नहीं है,
हाँ, उनका ऑडियो भी नहीं है. I don't know
ऑडियो
why.
भी नहीं है.
Okay. Okay. So we can end the session if there is no questions, no doubts. Yes?
Meditation.
Okay. So everybody wants to do the meditation?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let's get, yes. Chalo, so let's do. So make yourself अपने आप को बहुत comfortable position में ले आइए. Be sure that your spine is erect. Straight spine अगर आपको support लेके बैठना है तो you can take a wall support, but sit with an erect spine. And take a deep breath in and breathe out deeply. Let your exhalations be longer than your inhalations. Release whatever is stored in the mind, whatever is not helping you anymore, whatever is redundant in your mind, just release it. Take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़ते समय उसे और डीप कर दीजिए, लंबा कर दीजिए. And then be aware of your thoughts. और हर थॉट के पीछे क्या फीलिंग आ रही है. एवरी थॉट, हर एक विचार जो मन में आ रहे हैं उनसे एक इमोशन अटैच्ड है, एक अटैच्ड है. Just be aware of that feeling. And now bring a very, very happy moment in your life. Could be when you were a child. Could be when you were just 7 years old. Could be when you were 7 years young. And bring that happy moment from your childhood. And smile, smile gently the lips, smiling eyes, and feel that happiness in your heart. उस हैप्पीनेस को, उस खुशी को, उस उत्साह को अपने हार्ट में फील करिए. एंड लेट इट स्प्रेड. Feel it spreading in every part of your body. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your shoulders, feel it in your muscles, feel it in your bones. अपने शरीर के एक एक पार्ट में उसे फील करना है. And then bring a happy moment when you were as an adult, when you were in school, when you went to college. Bring a happy moment from that moment, that part of your life. Just remember that moment. Feel it. एक एक मेमोरी को, एक एक फीलिंग को, एक एक एक्सपीरियंस को फील इट इन डिटेल. Remember every detailing of that moment, that happy moment. And smile again. Let your smile broaden. And feel that smile in your heart. Feel it completely. And then bring a happy moment. Remember a happy moment from your life. Just what happened a month back, एक महीना पहले. Something happened and you were so happy. Bring that moment in your life. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your muscles. Feel it in your bones. In every part of your body. And see what is happening when every time I remember the happy moments. See what is happening. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you, life, for bringing all these happy moments in me. Bringing all these happy moments, making me experience all these happy moments. Thank you, life. Thank you. Thank you. And then just be as you are. अभी हम जैसे बैठे हैं, हम सब साथ में, इतनी सारी लोगों के साथ में, this collective energy. Feel that we all are sitting in a circle and we all are holding hands and we all are collectively being grateful to this moment. ये जो moment है हमारी life में, जब हम सब एक दूसरे से connected है, nothing happens by chance, nothing happens by coincidence. Everything is designed in the world of magic. It's right there. Now in this moment when you're holding hands with each other, जब हम एक circle में बैठे हैं, feel the energy that is flowing from each one of us. Feel that energy. उस ऊर्जा को महसूस करिए. And feel कि एक golden light circle के अंदर है. और वह light, that light is flowing into each one of us. Each one of us are experiencing this flow of the magical light. This magical light is flowing in each one of us. You might feel some kind of tingling in your body. You might feel some kind of warmth in your body. You might feel some kind of unusual energy. Any part of your body. You might feel nothing. That's also is fine. Effortlessly just be in this space. The moment we drop our effort to experience anything, life starts flowing. Life starts moving. And lots of magics appear in our lives. So just be in this beautiful state and take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in that magical energy which is there all around you and it's always there. That energy, that magic is always there. So feel it as you inhale and exhale. 3 deep breaths. And then now in this beautiful space, इस magical space में Just say whatever you desire for yourself. Feel that you already have got it. Bring in any one thing that you desire, that is your dream. You have written it in your dream list. Just feel you have it. You have it. It's there. It's there with you. It's there in your life. It's quite possible that your mind is going in some other thought, but bring the mind back, like how a mother brings the child back, like that. Just be like a parent to your mind and bring the mind back to where you are. And feel how happy you're feeling. You've got it, you've got it. And you're sharing it with everybody around you. You're so happy. Whatever you had desired for yourself, you've got it. So happy. Jump like a child. And go and share with everybody. And then just be in the space where you are. In this present moment, come back to this moment. Come back to this moment where you are at the top of the world. You are at the top of the world. Feel as grateful as you can. Feel as grateful as you can. Placing your right palm on the heart center. अपने हाथों को, right palm को अपने heart center of the chest. Just touch that part of your body very softly. Don't press, just softly place your palm there. And say to yourself, thank you. Thank you. Tell your name. Whisper to yourself. आप whisper कर सकते हो, आप softly बोल सकते हो, आप थोड़ी जोर से बोल सकते हो. Say to yourself, thank you. Thank you, Vandana. Thank you. Thank you for being there always. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Feel your heartbeats. Your heart is starting to converse with you. Feel your heartbeats and say thank you once again. And whenever you feel, slowly open your eyes. And if you feel like sharing, you can unmute yourselves and share. What was your experience?
What my
And
experience, ma'am?
yes, somebody was saying
Yeah,
something.
my experience is really super.
Yes, thank you so much.
मैं मेरी चाइल्डहुड में चली गई थी जब आपने बोला ना, तो मैंने देखा कि मैंने वो जो मैं फ्रॉक पहनती थी वो भी मुझे याद आया. उसको पकड़ के मैं दौड़ रही थी क्योंकि पॉकेट में वो मार्बल थे, कंचे थे.
ओके.
और वो मैं खेल रही थी. फिर मेरी फ्रेंड के पास से मैंने एक कंचे के बदले में 4 लिया था. वो सब मुझे मेमोराइज हो गया, तो दिल से वो जीने की चाहत हो गई.
So beautiful.
और मैंने जी लिया इसी मोमेंट पे वो.
Lovely. So beautiful, na? Thank you for sharing, Bharat ji. Thank you for sharing, Hina ji. Anybody else has any sharing? Before we,
मैंने फील किया कि मेरे हाथों में कुछ करंट सा फ्लोइंग हो रहा है
हाँ
और
जी.
मेरे रोम खुल रहे हैं एकदम.
Lovely. Yes.
और कुछ उसमें लगता है कि ऐसे कुछ लग रहा था कि कुछ just like magical golden dust is going inside my hand. I feel कि कुछ अंदर जा रहा है.
Lovely. So beautiful that you just shared, Usha ji. So beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anybody else has any sharings? So yes, then if nobody has any sharings, thank you.
वंदना जी,
Yes.
वंदना जी, मैंने व्हाट्सएप में एक लिंक आपको भेजा है। अभी
हाँ
2
जी।
दिन से वो मैं ग्रेटिट्यूड का मेडिटेशन कर रहा हूँ, तो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है।
Okay, I will see.
अपना सेशन से पहले मैं कर रहा हूँ।
Lovely. I will definitely see, Bharat ji.
या प्लीज,
Yes.
थैंक यू।
So yes, thank you everybody for being a
Thank
part
you.
of this wonderful session. Thank you.
much.
Thank you
Thank
for being a
you.
part in my life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And till then, we meet tomorrow. Have a magical day. Come up with more and more sharings and experiences tomorrow. Thank you
Have a
so much.
magical
Thank you.
weekend to all of you.
Yes. And
Yes,
tomorrow,
thank
oh
you and
yes,
thank
tomorrow
you.
is a Sunday. So yeah, so we all will meet tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.